How to hide number in Google Pay. Want to keep your card or account number private in Google Pay? Here's how to manage it. So, numbers are masked by default. Google Pay already hides most of your number. You'll only see the last four digits for verification. So, if you don't want even those digits visible, go ahead and open up the payment methods tab on your Google Pay account. And then from here, click on the payment method that you want to remove. And then scroll down and look for this remove payment method button. Confirm removing this, and this hides the number completely from your app. When you pay, Google Pay uses a virtual account number instead of your real card number. Merchants never see your actual details. You can also do extra privacy settings to enable Face ID, Touch ID, or PIN lock for Google Pay. This ensures no one can open the app and view even masked numbers. And that is how to hide number in Google Pay.